Good morning. I'm going to talk about the beneficial consequences and possible actions to help students. First of all, we have to be clear with the differences between language teaching and language assessment. Language teaching involves teachers and students, and its purpose is to help them to improve their language abilities. This is a longer process, but even if language assessment involves the same public, its purpose is to collect information about how well they master the language skills or what they have learned. Summarizing, the difference lies in their purpose. Here we have a cyclic process during the time a student is learning a language. It consists in the teaching and learning step that comes first to give rise to the evaluation step. Once we assess our students, we have to make decisions according to the results, and these decisions aim to bring beneficial consequences. The consequences are premised on ensuring the quality of instruction as well as learning. When students get a certified level, it is necessary that they prove they have the abilities required for that certificate too. When we talk about improving teaching, we are referring to adaptability. Ideally, students would be placed in levels, but this is not always the case. Here you can see a practical example in which we apply ways to adapt a reading task in a mixed class where we have stronger and weaker learners. For example, this is a reading task and we have two groups, extension activities for stronger students and support for weaker students. For the stronger students, we have ask early finishers to write new vocabulary up on the board with definitions. Rewrite a part of the text in a different tense or person. Write their personal opinion or a short summary of the text. Write questions about the text. Then we have the support for the weaker students. Pre-teach difficult vocabulary and leave it written on the board for students to refer to, use visuals if possible. If there are gaps, give students the answers in a jumbled order with a few extras. Draw attention to the title, pictures, etc., and set the scene beforehand so their mind is on track for the topic. And break the text into chunks and give the option of only reading some of the text. So as you can see, the activities are different according to their levels, according to their abilities, but the task or the reading can be the same. Finally, I show a summary of how to improve students' learning. That is, in my opinion, very related to the teaching because according to the results of their assessment, they've got to receive a certified level and be upgraded to continue learning, or they have to repeat the course, or just to have some feedback about the topics they need to reinforce to advance. Thanks for your attention.